Every corner of Kenya holds a story waiting to be discovered. At Riro Porini, we make your journey as memorable as the destination. From the vast savannas of the Masai Mara and Amboseli to the serene hills and hidden gems of the countryside. From the crystal white sandy beaches to the historical architecture of our coastal cities. Our experienced guides and reliable land cruisers take you there in comfort and style. Whether it's exploring breathtaking landscapes or connecting with Kenya's rich culture, every adventure is crafted to perfection. Your journey to the extraordinary begins with us. Riro Porini, ride beyond.